Forget paper business cards, just tap and connect. That's the pitch behind Blinq, the digital business card app taking over LinkedIn feeds and networking events in 2026. It claims to replace outdated paper cards with smart NFC technology and personalized links you can share instantly. You scan, they save your details, and your first impression becomes unforgettable. But here's the real question. Is Blinq really the ultimate networking upgrade, or just another overpriced tech trend that solves a problem we already fixed with LinkedIn? Let's find out whether Blinq is worth the hype, or just another shiny gadget in your wallet. I've tested almost every major digital card platform. Popl, HiHello, Lync, TapTalk, you name it. Some are simple, others feel like mini CRMs. When Blinq rolled out its 2026 update, boasting new automation tools, AI-powered contact insights, and redesigned NFC cards, I decided to try it for myself. I bought the Blinq Premium Metal Card, linked it to my personal profile and business website, and used it across 3 major conferences over the past month. I tracked not just how easy it was to share my info, but also how many real connections actually followed up after using it. Here's what I found. Blinq's 2026 marketing revolves around 3 big promises. Claim number 1, instant connection, zero hassle. Blinq says one tap or QR scan is all it takes to share your full digital profile. No app download required. Claim number 2, professional design and smart analytics. Each Blinq card syncs with your Blinq profile, which tracks views, saves, and engagement data. Claim number 3, AI-powered networking. Their newest feature claims to use AI to analyze your connections, suggesting follow-ups and ranking contacts by potential business value. These sound futuristic, but do they actually make a difference in real-world networking? Setup and usability. Blinq's setup process is simple. After purchasing your card or tag, you create a profile with contact info, links, and branding. Within minutes, you can share your digital business card via NFC tap or QR scan. During my tests, I shared my Blinq card over 120 times at conferences. About 90% of people were impressed, and nearly all could access my details instantly. No app installation, no friction. Design and build. Quality. The metal card feels premium and professional. The print quality is excellent, and the NFC response is fast. However, the free plastic version feels cheap, which can undercut your image at high-end events. Smart analytics. Blinq's dashboard tracks who viewed your card, what links they clicked, and even timestamps your interactions. This is genuinely useful, especially for sales or freelancers who want to measure networking ROI. Still, the analytics are limited on the free plan. You need at least the $9 a month premium tier to unlock contact exports and integration with CRM tools like HubSpot or Notion. AI networking tools. The 2026 AI update sounds impressive on paper, but in practice, it's hit or miss. It does recognize patterns, like reminding you to follow up with leads after 3 days, but the contact value score it generates isn't always accurate. Sometimes it ranks casual connections higher than serious clients. It's a cool idea, but not yet polished. Privacy and security. Blinq lets you hide personal fields and control what's shared, something its rivals like Popl still struggle with. However, your contact data is stored on their cloud servers, so it's not entirely offline. Value and compatibility. The free version works well enough for solo professionals, but if you want a branded company dashboard or multi-user analytics, the Teams plan starts at $4.99 per user per month. For small businesses, that's fair. For individuals, it's optional luxury. Final verdict: Blinq in 2026 feels less like a gimmick and more like a glimpse into the future of networking. It's fast, modern, and genuinely convenient, especially if you attend conferences or run a business that thrives on personal connections. Still, the AI features and pricing tiers make it best suited for professionals who network a lot. For casual users, a LinkedIn QR code might do the job just as well, for free. So, is Blinq the card to go in 2026? Yes, if you live in the networking world. It's polished, effective, and surprisingly practical. But for everyone else, it's more of a smart flex than a necessity.